Welcome to the future of AI, where autonomous agents are transforming how tasks are done, and a new ecosystem called the Agentic Mesh is making it all possible. Meet Agentic AI. This technology combines advanced reasoning and planning to allow autonomous agents to solve complex multi-step problems independently. It's used across industries, from sales and customer support to accounting and logistics, changing the way we get work done. The Agentic Mesh is an interconnected ecosystem where these agents can safely find, collaborate, and transact with each other. Think of it as a dynamic marketplace where agents and humans interact seamlessly. Agentic Mesh has several essential components. The marketplace lets users discover and interact with agents. A registry tracks each agent's capabilities and past performance. Trust mechanisms ensure agents operate reliably and ethically, and human-in-the-loop oversight gives users peace of mind with monitoring and control. This ecosystem isn't just about convenience, it's about safety and efficiency. As agents work more independently, the Agentic Mesh ensures trust and transparency in their actions. AI started with simple models, then evolved through deep learning and the transformer models that power today's GenAI. Now, GenAI is the backbone of autonomous agents, enabling them to work, plan, and even interact autonomously. As Agentic AI grows, we'll see a thriving Agentic Mesh of interconnected, specialized agents ready to help people and businesses around the clock, redefining how work gets done. The future of AI isn't just smart, it's connected. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of AI and the Agentic Mesh. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more insightful content on autonomous agents and AI innovations. See you next time. Welcome back. In our last video, we explored the Agentic Mesh, an interconnected ecosystem where autonomous agents collaborate. Today, let's dive deeper into how these agents register, discover each other, and execute tasks within the Agentic Mesh. As central to the Agentic Mesh is the Registry, a repository storing key metadata for each agent, including its purpose owner policies and capabilities. This metadata lets other agents find and interact with each other safely and transparently. The registry works with DNS to locate agents. Just like websites, agents have addresses like agent.com, pani.com that make them easy to find. DNS translates these names into IP addresses so agents can communicate globally within the mesh. To function reliably in the Agentic Mesh, every agent must embody 6 key characteristics: purpose, ownership, trustworthiness, autonomy, discoverability, and intelligence. Purpose defines the agent's goals and scope, ensuring actions stay aligned with its function. Ownership establishes accountability with a responsible party monitoring its performance. Trustworthiness keeps agents reliable with records of ethical compliance and performance. Autonomy allows agents to act independently while staying within defined boundaries. Discoverability means agents can be found based on their registry data, and intelligence allows agents to make smart decisions using language models. To join the Agentic Mesh, each agent follows a registration process. First, configure the agent. The agent's purpose, capabilities, and security policies are defined. Next, register the agent. The agent submits its metadata to the registry, making it discoverable. Then, DNS registration. Assigning a DNS name, like agent.enterprise.com, enables easy access. After that, approve the registration. Human oversight or third-party approval validates the registration. Finally, active status. Once approved, the agent updates its status to active, ready for action. Once registered, agents can be discovered by other agents or users in a few steps. First, the agent's registration data is accessible in the registry. Then, the agent's DNS entry allows it to be found using a domain name. Next, agents query the registry for specific functions or criteria. Finally, the registry provides a list of suitable agents completing discovery. Finally, Let's look at how agents execute tasks. A user browses available agents in a marketplace, finding the right one for their task. The agent generates an execution plan using its language model, mapping out steps. If needed, the agent collaborates with others using the registry to find suitable partners. Interactions are managed and results reported back, ensuring the task is completed successfully. Together, the Agentic Mesh, Registry, and DNS create a robust ecosystem where autonomous agents operate safely, efficiently, and autonomously. As Agentic AI evolves, this connected ecosystem will drive innovation, transforming industries, and revolutionizing how work gets done. To continue the video, here's an extended script for a 9-minute explanation of the remaining Agentic Mesh components and concepts. Welcome back to our deep dive into the Agentic Mesh, a transformative ecosystem where autonomous agents collaborate in a secure, efficient, and interconnected environment. In our previous video, we explored the Agentic Mesh's foundational elements, like agent characteristics, registration, discovery, and task execution. Now, let's explore the user, agent, and operator experience planes within the Agentic Mesh, the autonomous agent stack, registry interfaces, and the critical value of trust in this ecosystem. Let's start with the 3 experience planes in the Agentic Mesh: user, agent, and operator. The user experience plane is for people, consumers, creators, and governance professionals. This layer allows users to interact with the Agentic Mesh primarily through the marketplace, a sort of app store for agents. Users can easily browse agents, initiate requests, track performance, provide feedback, and review billing. For creators, the Creator Workbench enables them to publish and monitor their agents' usage. Governance professionals use a policy workbench to enforce policies that define acceptable agent actions, ensuring compliance and ethical operation. In the agent experience plane, agents interact directly with one another, collaborating via APIs and accessing necessary metadata. Standardized primitives govern agent behavior. These include discoverability, observability, task execution, and control functions. Each of these functions is essential to ensuring agents can communicate, work together, and carry out complex tasks with minimal oversight. Finally, the operator experience plane is essential for running the entire Agentic Mesh. Here, infrastructure tools and consoles let operators oversee agent performance, troubleshoot, and ensure system stability. Next, let's move to the autonomous agent stack. This stack outlines the essential components that power agents within the Agentic Mesh. At the core are communications and APIs that support agent interaction, enabling them to exchange information through tools, APIs, and natural language prompts. Basic services like discovery, observability, and interactivity are also facilitated here. In the control and management layer, agents use sensors to interpret their environment and actuators to interact with it. This layer also includes control services, which lets agents regulate their activities based on information from other agents or environmental data. The learning and decisioning layer provides agents with the ability to improve over time, leveraging large language models, LLMs, for generating execution plans. Here, agents store data related to their environment, tasks, and relevant policies, creating an evolving knowledge base that enhances their decision-making. In the runtime environment, agents are equipped with the tools and resources to perform their designated tasks within a safe, consistent framework. This environment could be physical or virtual, depending on the agent's role. The orchestration and specialized LLMs layer enables agents to plan and execute tasks. Orchestration LLMs generate execution paths, while specialized LLMs offer expertise in specific fields, allowing agents to complete complex, specialized tasks. Let's now discuss the 3 categories of interfaces that enable seamless agent interaction: discovery, observability, and interactivity. Discovery interfaces provide crucial metadata about the agent, including its purpose and capabilities. These are accessible via endpoints like get/metadata, allowing users and other agents to discover and understand an agent's functionalities. Observability interfaces monitor the agent's operational data, with endpoints like get/usage, get/alerts, and get/logs. These endpoints enable tracking of resource usage, logging activity, and flagging any alerts, essential for maintaining reliability. Interactivity interfaces handle task execution and management interactions. Endpoints like post/execute enable agents to perform specific tasks, while get/interactions lists ongoing or past engagements. These interfaces ensure agents can carry out tasks, manage active engagements, and provide users with updates on their activities. The Agentic Mesh registry stack houses the essential components for managing agents, including communication interfaces, control services, metadata management, and the runtime environment. Through communication interfaces, the registry stack enables agent discovery, observability, and task interactivity. These APIs support registration, help users and agents find each other, and facilitate direct task initiation and control. The control services ensure centralized management of agents. For example, agent management handles configuration and oversight, while interaction management regulates user-agent engagements, ensuring smooth and efficient workflows. The metadata management layer securely stores all agent-related data, such as purpose, capabilities, and policies. It also handles security management, ensuring sensitive agent data is protected. Finally, the runtime environment offers the foundational technology for the registry to operate smoothly, ensuring agents and users can reliably interact in a secure, resilient system. Let's look at the registry interfaces: discovery, registration, observability, and interactivity, each providing structured access to the Agentic Mesh registry. Discovery registration interfaces support agent registration and discovery within the registry. Endpoints like post/registrations enable agents to register, and get/metadata lets users retrieve essential agent details. Observability interfaces track the registry's performance, delivering operational insights through get/usage, get/alerts, and get/logs. These endpoints provide real-time monitoring, ensuring the registry's stability. Interactivity interfaces enable users and agents to initiate and control tasks directly. For instance, post/execute requests task execution, while get/interactions retrieves a list of current engagements. These interfaces enable users and agents to work collaboratively and efficiently. Finally, let's discuss the importance of trust in the Agentic Mesh, a foundational value that enables secure, reliable collaboration among agents and users. Trust is built on 5 main pillars. 1. Feedback mechanisms allow users and agents to provide performance feedback, creating a transparent record of reliability. 2. A track record of meeting expectations enables agents to build credibility by consistently delivering on promised tasks. 3. Transparent certification schemes ensure agents meet specific standards, giving users and other agents confidence in their capabilities. 4. Third-party certification allows independent auditors to validate agent operations, assuring adherence to policies and ethical guidelines. And 5. The publication of trust metrics makes essential trust data accessible to users and agents, creating a transparent and secure ecosystem. Incorporating trust into the Agentic Mesh fosters a cohesive and secure environment for both human users and autonomous agents. Together, the structure, interfaces, and trust mechanisms of the Agentic Mesh create a resilient and reliable ecosystem for autonomous agents to interact, collaborate, and achieve complex tasks in real time. Thank you for joining this deep dive into the Agentic Mesh. With its potential to transform how autonomous agents operate, this ecosystem represents a huge step forward in agent-driven technologies. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more innovations shaping the future of AI-driven ecosystems.